everybody, I have a new video. Well, duh. Hey everyone, I have a really fun video for you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you outfit ideas for different date scenarios. So originally I was gonna do this video with my boyfriend Brandon. I was gonna have him show what outfit he would wear because I've seen some other couples on YouTube do that kind of video. But the thing is, Brandon wouldn't change his outfit for any occasion. He just wears what he wears. It doesn't matter what the occasion is. So it would get a little repetitive, and also, I don't know if you guys could tell from the other videos we did, he's a little bit camera shy, so we're just gonna do it with me. These videos can be taking yourself on a date anyways, or a first date, a date with a long-term partner, whatever you want. I also wanted to say thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring this video. The last date idea is a night in cooking dinner for each other, and the meal kit is something that Brandon and I have liked for a long time doing as a date together, so that will be the last one where I show you the meal we get to cook. Let's just get into the other date ideas. Okay, so the first date idea is what Brandon and my first date ever was, so I had to include it. If you guys didn't know, Brandon and I have been dating for 6 years now. That's crazy. And the night we started dating, which is what we call our first date, we were actually stargazing. It was after us and a group of friends all went skinny dipping, so I was not wearing this outfit. But stargazing is one of Brandon and my favorite dates to do. So this is what I'd wear now. So this might seem a little dressy, but I feel it looks dressy because I have a full face of makeup on right now. You might want to dress up to go look at the stars, I don't really know. But this is such a comfy outfit. I've just got this pair of thrifted jeans on, my Adidas Sambas. I think you guys could tell by now I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I have a little black tube top that I have again become re-obsessed with. And then this jacket is a camo jacket. It's originally from the brand Realtree, but I got it off eBay. When I think of stargazing, it gets a little chilly at night, so I feel a jacket is a good thing to bring. And this kind of chills down the outfit, but you still feel put together and cute with the tube top underneath. I'd probably just bring a tote bag for snacks, your blanket, the whole shindig. So yeah, this is the first date idea. Did I overshare with our first date? Probably. Let's go on to number 2. Next date idea is going on a picnic. Again, this is one of Brandon and my favorite dates. Brandon and I are really against going out to dinner at a restaurant for a date. I don't know why, it's just something that we've never liked. So picnics, cooking at home. Mostly we're homebodies. I think that's what it is. These are more of our realm of dates. So for a picnic, you could see I put on the Birkenstocks because I'm the type of person who's going barefoot at a picnic. I don't want my shoes on the blanket or anything. And then a nice big flowy dress is always the way to go. If it's colder, I would just throw a sweater over top. Let me show you that. This big sweater I thrifted. I didn't think I was gonna get that much wear out of it, and for some reason there's just perfection. So this, and then my hat, I feel the color might be a little off, but does this hat not scream picnic? So I had to put it on. It's from Princess Polly. My dress is originally from Urban, but it's 4 years old, and then my thrifted sweater. I think that this looks really cute, even with the sweater. Cute, and this is grandma chic. Oh my god, this is grandma chic. Next date idea is a museum date. This is again something I've never done, but I go to the museum with my family. So if it was a date, I feel it'd be kind of fun just to dress up an outfit a little more. So normally when I think of museum, what's in my shoe? Oh, a perfume. Normally when I think of museum, I trousers, super all baggy fit, vintagey looking. I don't know why that's what my brain goes to, but I'm trying to change it up. And I slicked up my hair because it wasn't doing me any favors, quite honestly. You guys have seen me wear these kind of jumpsuits a million times. I just can't help it. I have a denim one. I have a short sleeve, camel colored one, and then this is my newest one I got off Depop. It's a white denim. They're so cute and you look so cool and chic, and I love these so much. This is from Depop. My shoes I thrifted, and then my little purse is from Glint. Glynit. Tell me I wouldn't make it on some like Pinterest aesthetic museum girl photo board. Maybe not for my hair or makeup right now, I'm looking a little crazy, but my outfit is killer. Like, I want to go on a date right now and wear this. Ring ring Brandon, hello? Come pick me up, we're going to Chili's. Okay, next I wrote down movies, which is something Brandon and I used to go to a lot before COVID, but normally when I was going to the movies, I'd just be like in pajamas going. But I'm imagining it's like your first date. My fly's undone, don't do that on a first date. I'm gonna imagine it's like your first date and you're going like dinner and movies, okay? So you'd want to be dressed up. This is probably the outfit I would have chosen for museum if I didn't force myself to not put the trousers on immediately. This is just a universal outfit, quite honestly. So I've got my little Zara loafers. They're so good. These trousers are from NNKD. I've had them forever now and they are so good as well. This bodysuit is from Princess Polly and it's so pretty, it looks really expensive. And then I've got this Gucci purse from Da Vintage Plug on Instagram. But the movies is always cold. It works with everything, don't mess with my hair. And then I'm super cozy for the movies. You can just drape your sweater around your shoulders and it looks really chic. This is a cute fit, okay? I love it. You guys, I don't want to hear it. Just let me have my moment with my sweater. I've missed it all summer. I don't know what you guys call it, like an apple orchard or a cider mill. In Michigan, they're all cider mills. Something Brandon and I always go to for like apple cider and donuts and bees. This is what I'd wear. Our cider mills also are always just muddy and dirty, so I feel like cowboy boots would be an absolute must, or like Docs or any kind of boots. So to really dress my boots down, I paired them with just a pair of jeans and basically covered all the like cuteness, unfortunately. And then I've got my Harley Davidson tote bag. It's the perfect in-between of not wanting to carry a canvas tote, but be a little more put together and have some space compared to like a little shoulder bag. This purse is my everything. Oh my god, get my necklaces out. Oh, I'm so sorry you even had to see that for my necklaces. Okay, another date Brandon and I always like to go on is just taking Ernie to the dog park. But this is so something you could do, and I see people doing it all the time. Even if you don't have a dog, just go and watch all the dogs play. It's so fun. So many will come up to you. You get to play with puppies. So this would be like a super chill outfit. You're probably walking there and you're gonna be outside and you don't want to be like in something you care about because if the dogs jump on you and get you all muddy. So I went with this pair of black Wrangler jeans that I thrifted. I've got my white Air Jordans on, and then this little LA t-shirt that I thrifted, and my black Gucci purse, which might not seem like a good idea, but it's just such a comfy purse and it basically feels like I'm wearing nothing, so that's why I like to wear it. Next date idea is bowling. I don't know why everyone hates on bowling. Now it's pretty bold of me to be wearing these pants to bowling, but my thought process is, first of all, if I'm going bowling, I'm probably going at night and gonna be like drinking. It's gonna be like a night out kind of thing. I just think of the crusty bowling alley like by my house and I'm coming up wearing this. Also, because when you go bowling you have to wear bare shoes, I need to have something that like just looks good on its own and isn't relying on the shoes. So these pants are that. These are from Depop. I'm wearing my Sambas because they kind of look like bowling shoes. Imagine me bowling, ballerina, so I do penché when I bowl. If I was practical, I'd probably wear like my Birkenstocks or slides or something, but I'm not a practical girl, so I'd be wearing shoes that go with my outfit. Then to kind of tone it down a lot, I've got this t-shirt on that is from Leftover Booth. And then I've got my Gucci purse again because it's like my personality trait at this point. I'm ready to bowl. This is the last outfit for the last date idea, and that's what I'm gonna be doing downstairs right now. And that's cooking dinner in. Honestly, if I was like making it a date night and we were cooking in and not just like eating, we were like, oh, this is like a date night, I'd probably put on one of my vintage slip dresses. This one is just so comfy. It's literally like lingerie slip dress. You're meant to sleep in it, so I'm more than comfortable staying in the house wearing this. And then because this would be a date with Brandon, He loves these little smiley face slippers, so I decided to throw them on because he would really appreciate it. That's it for the outfits. Let's go downstairs and cook this Green Chef meal because I'm so hungry. It's time, people. In this video, I'm cooking with myself, but this is always a really fun activity for Brandon and me to do together as an inexpensive, chill, healthier option for date night. Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that is now owned by HelloFresh to offer a wider array of meal plans to choose from. I love switching between the brands for when my tastes change or when I want to eat a little differently one month. And now you guys can enjoy both brands at a discount with me. Green Chef offers a variety of dishes for lifestyles including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. I always choose the vegetarian options because Brandon loves cheese and I can easily opt out the cheese for vegan options for myself. Green Chef is the most sustainable meal kit, offsetting 100% of its direct carbon emissions and plastic packaging in every box. They have a wide variety of high-quality, clean ingredients like the organic, non-GMO, sustainably sourced produce. You can feel great about what you're eating and how it got to your table. So if you're looking for a new date idea or just some new recipes, go to greenchef.us and use code LANEY100 to get $100 off plus free shipping on your first box. Thank you again to Green Chef for sponsoring this video. As you can tell, I really enjoyed my meal. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.